Hello, friends. Welcome to today's Bollywood news update. Let's jump into the details news now. Before that, we'll request you to please like the video and share the video with your friends. And if you are new in our channel, subscribe for regular update and click the bell icon so that whenever any new video will be uploaded, you will get the update instantly. And let us know in your comment box if you have any opinion inside your mind. Kareena Kapoor sends hugs from across the world to Priyanka Chopra on her birthday. Global icon Priyanka Chopra Jonas turns a year older today. The actor is being flooded with wishes on social media by her fans across the globe, her friends and colleagues from the industry. Bollywood actress Kareena Kapoor Khan, who is also Priyanka Chopra's contemporary in the movies, took to social media to wish the Desi girl. She shared a stunning picture with Priyanka Chopra, which was clicked when they appeared together on Karan Johar's show Coffee with Karan. Happy birthday, Priyanka. May you continue to inspire the world. Hugs from across the globe, she captioned the picture. Bhumi Pednekar is grateful to be surrounded by love and support on her birthday. Bhumi Pednekar turned a year older today. She took to her social media handle to thank everyone for all the love and support she has been receiving despite the times we are in. Bhumi shared a picture of herself enjoying her birthday cake. Sharing the picture, she wrote, "As I turn a year older, all I can think of is how fortunate and grateful I am to be surrounded by such love and support, to have such incredible people in my life, to be able to follow my passion and have a job that I love, to have the love the audiences give me, to be able to give back and work towards making this world a better place, to have the means to protect the ones I love. I am so grateful for everything. With everything happening around us, I am so overwhelmed by the love that everyone has shown. Thank you so much." No intimacy for Alia Bhatt in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Gangubai Kathiawadi. A tender love scene between Alia Bhatt and her on-screen love in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Gangubai Kathiawadi is now likely to be dropped from the script. The reason being the severe guidelines pertaining to social distancing to be implemented on shooting locations once the lockdown is completed. Such would be the new norm regarding physical intimacy, and Bhansali has decided to do away with a tender love sequence between Alia Bhatt and her love interest played by dance-turned-actor Shantanu Mukherjee. She is an informed source. "I guess it's better to be safe than sorry in these troubled times. Physical intimacy would definitely be avoided in Bhansali's shooting. He will find another way of showing a romance closeness." Kangana Ranaut beats Deepika Padukone, Taapsee Pannu, Radhika Madan to emerge as the best actress for Phanga. The year 2020 has been disastrous for movies. We did not have any release in theaters for the better part of the first half of the year due to the coronavirus pandemic. If that was not heartbreaking enough, then over the past 4 months, we have lost some truly talented artists one after another. However, to some great performances both in films and on OTT platforms, a conducted poll known as the Picture and the Best Actress was given. We will show the results of the Best Actress in Bollywood over the past 6 months. Kangana Ranaut has come up trumps with a massive 94% of the votes, beating likes of Taapsee Pannu for Thappad, Deepika Padukone for Chapak, and Radhika Madan for Angrezi Medium. Kangana has usually impressed everyone with her superlative performances, and Phanga was no different. She got a staggering 94% votes for the readers. Prabhas to romance with Deepika Padukone. Truth be told, the last week was one of the most interesting and happening periods in South industry this year, as we have several celebrities who dominated the entertainment news with their projects and personal life. While the reports of Deepika Padukone romancing Prabhas in direct Nag Ashwin's next excited the audience, Surya fans too got super happy with the announcement of his digital debut. So let's check out all the important things that transpired down the south over the past week. Earlier this year, Vijayathi Productions announced a big film with Prabhas, which will be helmed by Maharanthi director Nag Ashwin. While many lead actresses are in the race to back the project, reports suggest that Deepika Padukone, who was demanded a huge remuneration, might come on board, as director Nag Ashwin is keen to have her as their female protagonist. Kangana Ranaut questions Mumbai Police's intentions regarding Sushant Singh Rajput's case. Kangana Ranaut has again spoke up regarding the death case of Sushant Singh Rajput and questioned Mumbai Police. The talented actress has raised direct questions on their intentions of Mumbai Police and has asked why they are not calling Karan Johar, Aditya Chopra and Mahesh Bhatt to record their statements. Ever since Sushant Singh Rajput died of suicide, Kangana Ranaut has spoken up several times and has bashed Bollywood frequently for mistreating outsiders. Dia Mirza says it is an extraordinary time to educate ourselves and become more responsible citizens of the planet. Actress Dia Mirza, who is a United Nations Sustainable Development Goals advocate, has been highlighting the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on all socio-economic aspects. She believes it is an extraordinary time for mankind to educate and will ourselves to do better. Dia Mirza spoke about this opportunity during a special conversation with UN Deputy Secretary General Amina Mohammed and fellow SDG advocate Norwegian Prime Minister Erna Solberg. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan admitted to a hospital after experiencing breathlessness due to COVID-19. On July 11, Amitabh Bachchan was the first to test positive from the novel coronavirus. After his test came positive, the entire family underwent testing. Abhishek Bachchan too tested positive the same day, and the two were taken to Nanavati Hospital in Mumbai for isolation and treatment. Following that, Aishwarya and Aradhya too tested positive but were asymptomatic, so were advised home quarantine. 5 days later, the two are reported to have been experiencing breathlessness, and Aishwarya has now been moved to the same hospital for treatment. Aradhya too has been moved to the hospital. Jaya Bachchan along with the 26 staff members of the family were also tested, but their results came negative for the virus. Here is wishes for the family for a speedy recovery. Shah Rukh Khan gives a hilarious reply to Gauri Khan's tweet. We all know that Shah Rukh Khan has a great sense of humor. His interviews or when he's turned up as host on television shows and other events provide enough proof that he is a man with an abundance of wit. But it turns out that he is not the only one in the family who has his way with words. Shah Rukh Khan's wife Gauri too has time and again indulged in banter with her husband and given him a taste of his own medicine. Today, the couple indulged in a friendly banter session on social media. Gauri Khan shared a special throwback picture from Graven Wax Museum, Paris. The photo features Shah Rukh Khan and the actor's wax statue. The caption for Gauri's post read, "Too much to handle." Shah Rukh Khan was quick to react to the tweet in classic SRK style. His reply read, "Or for the last 1 year and 6 months done, dono ghar pe hai." Now a road in Mumbai to be renamed after Sushant Singh Rajput. It's been a month since Sushant Singh Rajput passed away, and we are still reeling under the shock. Now, a family friend, Nilopatal Miral, has appealed to the BMC and Aditya Thackeray to rename a road in Bandra after the late actor. His hometown in Bihar has already renamed a road as Sushant Singh Rajput Chowk. A leading daily spoke to the friend, and here is what the friend had to say. His loss is still being mourned, and it is only befitting that the road where he resided be named after him. The friend Future told the Daily that an appeal had been made to Aditya Thackeray and even the BMC. I first approached Aditya Thakuresi and then Municipal Corporation Commissioner Iqbal Singh Chahal. They directed me to the officials of the each municipal ward under those jurisdiction the area falls. I have written to the local civic authorities as well.